So in a previous session we studied about four parameters and equation formed by that four parameters. Pressure is equal to mn vx square by what? You can write your answer in comment box. So यहाँ पिछले वीडियो में हमने मीन velocity निकाली थी along x-axis. So let us see velocities. Now let us see what is next here. Then as we know that, or as we mention here, volume, right? So volume है तो वो आपकी cubic box है along x axis, along y axis, along z axis. तो यहाँ पे क्यूब आना चाहिए ये वाला, पर हम क्यूब नहीं लिखते हैं, ये आपके बुक में नहीं है. दिस इज़ एक्स्ट्रा इन्फॉर्मेशन. हमने यहाँ पे v क्यूब नहीं लिखा है. वी सिंपली मेंशन हियर p इज इक्वल टू mv we simply mention here mn. p is equal to mn v square by v. So v cube is there should be v cube, but why it is not, you can see here. I have given answer here. Now we can recognize that the pressure is same for all the balls. So yes, they are critically moving and they are not changing their path, they are not changing their what we can say, energy, kinetic energy, and that's why whatever the pressure is there throughout cube, it is going to be constant, it is also going to be conserved, and that's why instead of writing v cube we are writing here v only. So hope so you are understanding this very well. So yes, for now, for n molecules instead of just one, we can write the net pressure becomes p is equal to nx mu square for average and divided by v. Now as I earlier said here, in some slides I have indicated velocity as a capital V, in some slides I have indicated it as a u. So when v and u are coming together, I thought it is good to change variable, and that's why I used u variable for velocity or average velocity of that molecules, and v for volume. So hope so you are understanding this. U is here for velocity and v is for volume. So due to I have to write on the screen directly, and that's why this is not that much good to see, but hope so you are understanding this. So next, yes, if mnux square can be written as average value for number of molecules which are moving along x axis, तो उसकी जो पिछला इक्वेशन है वैसा ही सेम इसको लिखा गया है. देन ये तो हो गया x एक्सिस का, अभी y और z एक्सिस के बारे में लिखना है. ओके, तो कैसे लिखोगे? नाउ वेलोसिटी अलोंग, क्योंकि यहाँ पे ये आइडियल गैस है, आइडियल गैस में कुछ भी चेंजेस नहीं होते हैं और कुछ भी चेंजेस नहीं होते हैं, इसकी वजह से यहाँ पे हमने लिखा है u स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू x प्लस y प्लस z होल स्क्वायर. So you can write like this, and in your book directly this equation is given, this one, but can you tell me how this come? This equation is directly given in the book. So u square plus whatever the velocity is there in cubic box, it doesn't matter whether it is moving along x-axis or y-axis or z-axis, they are not changing their energies and they are conserved in the momentum and velocities, and that's why we can say it is going to be equal, and on this basis we can write here 3ux square. So hope so you are understanding this. Now uh, I will show you how this equation comes. Now see here, x-axis, y-axis और z-axis. ओके, सारी मॉलिक्यूल्स की एनर्जी क्या रहने वाली है, 1/2 mu x, right? Then half of mu y or half of mu v z, right? So this half of will get cancelled, right? हाफ या फिर ये भी पैरामीटर कैंसिल हो जाएगा, क्या रह गया, ये 3 रह गए, राइट? और इसी के बेसिस पे इसको डायरेक्टली ये इक्वेशन आपकी बुक में दिया गया है. नाउ वी आर इंटरेस्टेड टू फाइंड आउट इक्वेशन. तो यहाँ पे हमने क्या लिखा है अभी, सो 3u(x)² मीन वेलोसिटी फॉर total what we can say molecules which are present in cube. So you are understanding this very well. Now यहाँ पे हमने क्या किया है, ये जो वैल्यू है इसको यहाँ पे सब्स्टिट्यूट किया है, बाकी कुछ नहीं किया है. अगर आप पीछे जाओ तो आपको क्या मिलता है, ये वाला इक्वेशन, राइट? P = n(mu(x)² / v. तो यहाँ पे हमने सिर्फ अलोंग एक्स एक्सिस लिखा था, अभी यहाँ पे हम क्या कर रहे हैं, अलोंग 3 whatever अलोंग एक्स एक्सिस, अलोंग वाई एक्सिस, अलोंग जेड एक्सिस, पूरी क्यूब में आपके मॉलिक्यूल्स घूम रहे हैं और उसकी एवरेज निकाली है यहाँ पे हमने. तो यहाँ पे 1/3 mu x निकल गया, उसकी जगह पे हमने ये 1/3 लिया ना, स्क्वायर बाय v, और इसको अपने ज़्यादा इलेबरेट किया तो आपको इक्वेशन मिलता है PV = 1/3 nmu². सो जो भी u स्क्वायर है या फिर तो जो भी u स्क्वायर है या फिर v स्क्वायर है, ऐसा उसको दिया गया है. तो ये जो बार इंडिकेशन है ये दिखाता है मीन को, एवरेज को. तो होप सो यू आर अंडरस्टैंडिंग दिस, एंड दिस इज आवर मेन इक्वेशन. PV = 1/3 mnu². तो P प्रेशर है, V वॉल्यूम है, n नंबर ऑफ गैस मॉलिक्यूल्स है, m मोमेंटम ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर मॉलिक्यूल्स, एंड u² एवरेज और मीन वेलोसिटी ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल्स. So this important equation is as far as one can go to explain the basis of the pressure of the gas from the 4 kinetic molecular postulate, as we mentioned in an earlier video. So yes, this pressure concept is totally basis on ideal gas assumptions, and one thing is that elastic collision है, and due to elastic collision they will not exchange their energies, and they are not exchange their energies, and due to that molecules, if molecule is going along x-axis or y-axis or z-axis, it is actually not going to be matter that much, whatever molecule is travel through that cube having same speed. And in this way we are able to calculate pressure of an ideal gas molecules using 4 parameters: force, firstly force, then momentum, then pressure, and then velocity. So to calculate velocity we have to understand how pressure is forming, how momentum is there on molecules, and how force is applied on that molecules. So yes, I hope so you understood it very well. This concept is actually very much large, so that's why I thought that it is good idea to what we can say, divide it into 3 to 4 parts instead of explaining continuously. So if you have any doubts, you can ask me, and I will try to solve those doubts. So thank you.